Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best electric bike. We made the list based on around opinion recharge and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. Electric bikes, commonly known as e-bikes, have revolutionized the way we commute and explore the outdoors. Combining the efficiency of traditional bicycles with the power of electric motors, e-bikes offer an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to cars for short to medium distances. They provide the perfect balance between physical activity and convenience, allowing riders to choose between pedal power and electric assistance. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rugged trails, e-bikes open up new possibilities for transportation and adventure, making them an increasingly popular choice for riders of all ages and lifestyles. Number 5. Terrain SS30 Electric Bike. The Terrain SS30 electric bike is an impressive powerhouse that blends rugged design with high performance. With a robust steel frame and a selection of motors ranging from 5,000 W to an incredible 15,000 W, this bike is designed for serious riders who crave speed and power. The motor options allow you to reach speeds between 65 to 120 km per hour, depending on your choice, making it a fantastic option for both commuting and off-road adventures. One of the standout features of the SS30 is its long-range capability. The lithium battery, coupled with the bike's efficient design, provides a range of over 60 km on a single charge, ensuring you can go the distance without worrying about running out of juice. The 72V power supply and the inclusion of a 5A fast charger mean you're back on the road quickly, even after a lengthy ride. The bike's build quality is solid, thanks to its high-carbon steel frame, which gives it durability while still being relatively lightweight. The choice of wheel sizes, either 19 or 21, provides flexibility depending on your terrain preferences. The bike is not foldable, but its sturdy construction and features more than make up for this. Additionally, the motorcycle-style seat enhances comfort, making long rides more enjoyable. Number 4. COSWHEEL GT20 Electric Bike. The COSWHEEL GT20 electric bike stands out as a powerful and versatile option for those seeking a high-performance electric bike. With its robust 1500 W brushless motor, rated at 1000 W, this bike delivers impressive power, making it suitable for a variety of terrains. The top speed exceeds 50 km per hour, which is remarkable for an e-bike, and it boasts a mileage range of up to 93 miles, 149 km, on a single charge. This range makes it ideal for long commutes or recreational rides, with the capability to switch between all electric and pedal assist modes, depending on your needs. The 20x 4.0 all-terrain tires ensure stability and traction across different surfaces, whether you're navigating city streets or dirt trails. The frame, constructed from aluminum alloy, balances strength and weight, while the front and rear oil-pressing disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. One of the standout features is the removable 48V25 all-lithium battery, which can be fully charged in about 3.5 to 8 hours. The battery is heavy, but its large capacity supports the long range, making it a trade-off that many users will appreciate. Additionally, the bike is equipped with a color LCD screen that displays vital information such as speed, mileage, and battery status. Number 3. DEEPOWER G20 PRO Max Electric Bike. The DEEPOWER G20 PRO Max electric bike stands out as a luxury e-bike designed for performance and convenience. With its sleek aluminum frame and powerful motor options ranging from 500 W to an impressive 2000 W, it's built to tackle various terrains with ease. The bike offers a maximum speed of over 50 km per hour, making it a great option for thrill seekers and those who need to cover long distances quickly. One of the most remarkable features of the G20 PRO Max is its range. With battery capacities of 12.8 Ah and 25 Ah, this e-bike can travel over 60 km on a single charge, ensuring that you won't have to worry about frequent recharges. The lithium battery is also known for its durability and efficiency, which adds to the bike's long-term reliability. The G20 PRO Max is not just about speed and power, it also emphasizes comfort. It features a two-seat design, making it ideal for short trips with a passenger. The brushless motor ensures a smooth and quiet ride, while the 20 wheels provide stability and control, even at higher speeds. Number 2. DEEPOWER H20 Pro Max Electric Bike. The DEEPOWER H20 Pro Max electric bike is a powerful, feature-packed option for those seeking a high-performance ride. With its robust 2000 W brushless motor, this bike delivers impressive power, enabling speeds of over 50 km per hour, making it ideal for both urban commuting and adventurous off-road trails. One of the standout features of the H20 Pro Max is its impressive range, with the option of either a 10Ah or 25Ah lithium battery. This allows the bike to cover more than 60 km on a single charge, ensuring that long rides are worry-free. The bike is also equipped with front and rear oil brakes, which offer reliable stopping power, enhancing safety, especially at high speeds. The aluminum frame is both lightweight and durable, making the bike sturdy yet easy to handle. The 20-inch wheels provide a good balance between stability and maneuverability, while the foldable design adds convenience for storage and transport, perfect for those with limited space or who need to carry the bike on public transport. The H20 Pro Max is designed with luxury in mind, offering a comfortable two-seat configuration, making it suitable for carrying a passenger. The bike's voltage of 48V ensures that it has ample power to tackle various terrains. Number 1. IDOTATA DPA1 Electric Bike. The IDOTATA DPA1 electric bike is a solid choice for those seeking a reliable and versatile electric bike. Its multifunctional design, coupled with a sturdy aluminum alloy frame, ensures durability while keeping the bike lightweight and easy to handle. The bike's 500W brushless motor delivers impressive power, allowing it to reach speeds of over 50 km per hour, making it ideal for both urban commuting and leisure rides. One of the standout features of the DPA1 is its foldable design, which is perfect for city dwellers or anyone with limited storage space. Despite its compact size when folded, the bike maintains excellent stability and comfort during rides. The 20-inch wheels provide a smooth ride, even on rougher terrains. The lithium battery, operating at 48V, offers a decent range of 31 to 60 km per charge, depending on usage. This range is sufficient for most daily commutes or short trips around town. The two-seat capacity is another plus, allowing you to carry a passenger comfortably. In terms of safety and reliability, the bike is CE certified, assuring compliance with European standards. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those products. Please subscribe my channel for more update.